Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel. 11 ways to make money through websites. So make sure to watch the full top video. You can monetize your website using a variety of strategies. All of them present chances for you to monetize your website and generate a living or extra revenue. To find out how to do this successfully, keep watching. 11 Use ad networks to earn money like Google AdSense, AdThrive, Mediavine. The technique is effective if your website's pages include excellent, optimized content. To help Google decide which ads to display to your site, it is important to carefully incorporate keywords into the written text. It's crucial to match the subject of your articles with the audience that your contextual advertising is intended for. These are the people who are most likely to be interested in your material. Otherwise, people won't click the advertisements, and there won't be any revenue. Note: Google AdSense works reasonably well for websites with fewer than 10,000 visits. But after 10K sessions, we strongly advise you to look at Ezoic. If you can generate enough traffic, this ad network's rise in ad revenue per 1 million impressions is 3 to 4 times that of AdSense. Google AdSense User Guide. Essential abilities. SEO abilities. PPC abilities. Narrator of tales. Creating informative articles. 10 Use affiliate marketing to make money from your website. It primarily serves as a means for making sales of products on other websites. You receive a commission for each customer who makes a purchase on the product website, and every visitor you direct to the website is tracked. Enhanced web page. Required abilities. SEO abilities. Social media knowledge. PPC. Content creation, product descriptions. File lockers. The use of content lockers allows you to monetize your website. By limiting access to a certain, predetermined area of your website, content locks enable you to monetize it. Anything can be blocked, including a basic file, a movie, a specific piece of premium material, or the entirety of an article. It's an excellent approach to make money from your website. A user must first do at least one job on the list in order to access a restricted area of your website. You can create up to 4 different types of content lockers on MyLead, a global affiliate network, for free. They are all simple to install and may all be used on various devices. Visit MyLead, join up, and then look through the content lockers in the panel. 9 Make money by renting out space for advertisements. You sell media purchasers advertising space directly as opposed to doing it through intermediaries. Therefore, you will receive all of the advertising money in its whole. Don't worry about visitors, traffic, or conversions any longer. In-person meetings and negotiations might be necessary, but they will ultimately be beneficial. How to sell ad space. Essential abilities. Ability to blog via social media. Ability to negotiate. Skills in analysis. 8 Request gifts and contributions. You should think about not combining donations with other forms of monetization on your website or blog to make it truly effective. If visitors don't think you're already making a lot of money from your website or blog, they are more likely to click the contribute button. To persuade readers that it is worthwhile to donate, you should also discuss the cause you support. Essential abilities. Website that appears professional. A source of additional funding to keep the website operational. Community manager. Via social media. Crowdfunding. 7 Use Repixel to earn money for each visitor. In repixeling, non-competitive businesses in the same sector target users of one another's websites and mobile apps. For instance, if you run a blog about hiking, an online retailer of tents, a hiking app seeking downloads, and/or campgrounds seeking reservations would probably be quite interested in identifying your visitors so that they can later be served Facebook ads. With the help of a platform like Repixel, you can post an advertisement in their marketplace indicating your willingness to allow advertisers to target your website visitors and establish your own pricing in the form of a CPM, cost per 1,000 page views. The blogger is compensated for every 1,000 page views once the connection between the advertiser and the blog has been established. Repixeling provides 3 key advantages. Controls: any advertiser that you want to partner with can be approved or denied. Therefore, if there is a company or competition that you are not interested in collaborating with, you can easily click deny when the Repixel request comes through, unlike monetization services where you have little control over which brand appears on your page, such as selling advertising through AdSense. Scale: there are a limited number of ad units that can be added to your blog at once, but because Repixel works in the background, you can work with and receive payment from as many advertisers as you like. 6 Stop sending spam. People visited your website to get information, not to see adverts or be bombarded with a ton of offers. The user experience is not diminished by adding Repixel to your website because it is entirely invisible to the user. 5. Use your website as a portfolio to secure jobs. This approach is appropriate for websites that display your mastery in a particular subject. The Hire Me area merely enhances the presentation, allowing visitors to take use of specialized, paid services that will add additional value to their experience. Along with reaffirming your status as a subject matter authority, the Hire Me section ought to lead to opportunities for consultancy work, speaking engagements, and the promotion of the benefits of teaming up with you. There's a good chance that you'll hear from someone about possible business deals that could pay off for you. Instructions for adding an Hire Me section to your website. Essential abilities. Website that appears professional. Writing content in a certain voice and style. PPC abilities. Marketing skills to highlight your subject matter knowledge. 4. Open an online store. One of the most popular ways to monetize a website is using this strategy. The setting up of an internet store where customers may go and order the goods they want is implied. An e-shop is not a brand new concept. Nevertheless, depending on how well you can set your online shop apart from your rivals, it might be a lucrative source of money. Popular websites that make money by selling items online. Essential abilities. Skills in selling. PPC abilities. Content creation, product descriptions. Abilities to plan ahead. Management of products. 3. Sell e-books. This type of monetization is inexpensive and low risk. The process of producing, publishing, and monetizing an ebook is now simpler than ever. The expense of publishing and printing the books is free. On your website, everything may be done online. Additionally, you monetize your website by charging a price for the download link and gathering email addresses, for future follow-up and ebook upselling. Even better, you can compile earlier blog posts, give them a logical order, and make an ebook out of them for the general public. Handbook for selling ebooks. Essential abilities. A refined appearance while maintaining a natural voice tone. Using organized thought to explain your topics clearly. Understanding of what information would be beneficial and enjoyable to read. A clear writing style. PPC abilities. Social media knowledge. 2. Request payment for sponsored posts. The articles you publish on your website under the heading of sponsored posts are those for which you receive payment from advertising or other third parties. One such website is DroneSkater, which offers paid product reviews to drone producers. You can get in touch with them, or else they might get in touch with you to help them with writing and publishing material about their goods/services. You may even pay freelancers to compose this for you. There are a ton of online content and essay writing businesses. Essential abilities. Ability to negotiate. Content creation. Skills in analysis. PPC abilities. 1. Install payment barriers for premium content. This technique of monetization presupposes that users have limited access to some valuable pieces of content and must pay to access those pieces of material. It's helpful for collecting email addresses and other details about your audience so you may communicate with them more effectively in the future. Additionally, by charging a fee for access to premium content, you have a legitimate monetization strategy in place that can be used both temporarily and permanently. Giving a hybrid gating experience is a potential choice. Essential abilities. Content creation. Advertising strategies. Via social media. So, that's it for today. We hope you enjoyed the video. Use the comments section below to tell us what you think about the video. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell button to be notified of all the latest videos.